Hello, agus butí hiic na seanslia mas buin seansalachú ghlacfaidh na seanslia is mu si mí le cheada agus tá fragín bag muscána Tá neamhne
Ribbit.
Tá ribbit just like muid cascinní Tá man seo marscra le muid cóleachí le áid chuirte Tá man tear dús para Tá aine bhuiir aine go dimmar tú.
Tá bheith tursa níon se bheith breid le trváin Tá mé suirt i lár ahanrod a dhéanú san obair gan am chéanana fao lethir rahhéar na nóla Tá sin go lehananta sa tíir mar an ggéine an suirt líad up sin bhí láthair so bhí siú se gom a réir an mhuiad le tribór so tá me fós scrista is mud a tafad ar maidin ach siút Nollaigiúil a bhean so tá sé okay.
A fate worse than death. I got a mock letter more. Agus I can't feel lad who would never go to letter more. Tá an seo fásta le James ó Flaharta, James Timber that.
Oh, damn right. Go on, yeah, cannot touch a Christian, but yeah. Tús, near on tús on podcasts on will bingo card. I can't feel that's more new ribbed condoms. So, Shimbal
Listen.
Juan le who is with hatred and the fear of God. So yeah, it's
Choose your fighter.
Look, ní
Yeah.
bhína so good. You never know. Nis níl this jugum Rio. I have no idea how to describe the feeling, but
well, one thing is what is going to get some more to rip down the haha. So that's
I think her the wallet. I think her the or the
the
lyle.
lava. Yeah, Belfast.
Oh my God. I can already I spread them on DMs Akal already. Like I guess that's some kid who need to call pasta. So
He glad that just an rivalry idir Feirste a woohoo like a chat. Oh, Hugh James and sin.
I will say to vel to my James because anish their clusham ein Feirste ella in Galif nach and Ruaton. I'm like, ugh, like vi my session earn loon agus hasi should a canu Galway shawl plus an orange and
Oh yeah, or more.
or more and I was like, ugh, or more.
Or more.
Misha, I've never been to neither or more. Non Chaharua. I've literally never been.
What?
No, ni ro. Pasama
Oh
or
my
more.
God.
Capum. Shouldn't natural an airport not be.
Sin umgur like
So
nach fear gael gorhu go go dain to go dain carua.
well, listen. Send my passport back then, so because ni your mum was Sakaru gefall like Fasama or more, but like not your mum is the young gefall. But honest to God, I guess we ban us or more egg in session. I guess literally hot them hard like completely unprompted. I was there, my geez, who would have thought something nice could have come out of or more? Like Neil Aid
You got or beat sin.
Neil Aid Flash. It's just go hella is go homeland the where and grad ogum don Caharua from second hand. Oh James.
Sílam go just go léironn sin do gra do James.
Of course.
The yield shucked mar the cara.
Absolutely.
Was it hilarious that was egg on session version just on birthdays a going him and hawing chulle animballen.
Ein animal.
Something is a gewoon like oh here we go again fucking pegging it to mode.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Just
Jesus.
Galway City girl. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God. No, honestly, listen, sin an takeíocht na lumsa. Agus is sum sa gnéan chip sin rud cin na lumsa that, I mean, dingy canu, Arani is the Nanal, I mean, it glue like, Guido agus.
Oh come on now.
And
Ní like ran a first not just fair lumsa in ngáil agus tá sé okay dúsa sin a rá tá leid den nascan eile ogam leis a gunde.
what?
What?
Wow.
What the hell?
Is
Whoa.
hot take is just park around the Feirste.
And do you know what? And die her she's around the first Rio. It's gur that God sneezed and houses grew. Shouldn't come at around the first because it's just like my architecture like own bar. It makes literally no sense. It's just like tihí in actually roundabout. Well, if this is on James, you can.
No,
You can.
Okay, but sin dún
Yes.
ngála lig, in fairness, just a handed a file planning permission
Yeah.
here,
I think
there, and
it,
everywhere, scattered like a hanad.
Mhm.
I think you've been Gaeltachtaí though. Like
Yeah.
so just tSeapáin, you know, the odds in Sean is here's in the hill and throw on like the
Mhm.
tSeapáin all over the shop. Russian can't really dance though, but
Mhm.
like yeah, the tSeapáin cuts around the first, you just like scap him off. Like it's just like just clungy and act like it. That's
It's
really
in a road.
like
Yeah.
that. Yeah. It's not. She around the first can't Sean no.
Ah.
We
Yeah.
wrote to
It's
a
like
ganter be Ella,
Shut up.
Shinapol,
Anya.
Russian.
Anya,
no.
shut up.
Don't get me started.
I can't read it in the wall actually.
Uh,
Sna dúnibh,
yeah.
me an gcuidóir
Mm-hmm.
san na Rosa.
Okay.
Céir
Need
cinn go
to
ceantar
iní na
Gaeltachta.
háitní is galantí in Unagal Luanjin. I mean, na dúnamh come on, like
Ah, no, come on.
Park Ella.
I'll have no Dunu slander.
Unbelievable.
Na trying these. The Dunu, it's just unbelievable. Just
Have I
point
got
that.
like
An
her cat?
trás
No,
na dúnibh.
but Tanish kind Queen Malia.
Ah,
We
it's
run
coming from
Vishti
Bala.
so Walia.
Ah, who cares?
It's kind of be trying to say wheat and Walia.
No. Who cares about Balchi?
I'd shock a Jean Alcara.
Oh my God. Shaggy Alcara. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
a dump of a place. Sorry. Good. That though, in fairness.
Says and Buchel over at the Feirste.
No.
Tá airport around the first.
Tá Air Force One in Carrickfen.
Níl sin in around the
It's
Feirste.
a
Garrett sin.
it's a
As up
Valley.
like no, does any scared? I agree.
It's actually pretty equidistant Urkern and Barla.
Ní cloisian riú duna bí ra ó an airport around the Feirste. That tú
It's
denirt
it's
a cléimeáil in it.
yeah, no, níos bougie, not that. Hoggalumsa hypothetically should directly on airport because you mahaksa. It's just mutton tea just ja. Shouldn't fight or there's some tea just ja ni fair lum. It's because in trash and either and Carrigan is run the forest. That's in shouldn't die a wine run the forest. Anium sake so yeah boom log anium yeah. It's a rannog either yeah farsage. So yeah
Wow.
Fisatalu or tre either yeah Fisatalu. So like technically, oh God. Um,
Beautiful.
I'm telling you,
Fish and Ganta. Why who?
look, Aish la Shaw, Severus earn podcast Shaw.
Woo!
You wouldn't know it. You would never guess.
Is bralam sa loganum mai. Lig do sa lort fi loganum can la lig.
Oh my God.
Log Adam Jazz. Gillan Chug with Tala Dunai. Me go to Tala Darug agus Rua agus go bit on Caru Rua. It's the red quarter. Over.
It really is the Ron seal of Longganium. Yeah, it's just exactly what it says on the tin. Just
Ganta.
Yeah. You know, it's only out. Don't know at Austin's blah alling my dear shit.
oh, all right, okay, Shanna. All right.
Loganum can agus sean ochil snag on show. Keep with
What the can't
chain.
find the Nadini well sure in Austin Tower.
Okay, Shanna, shameless.
Well, in OKG talking his action and all.
It was genuinely really amaji, and I didn't cop grow arm shaw yanu gaji in yay, and I'm like back came fire near my shaw. So the Madalawala, right? Earn dona. My actual Swiss, Carrickfin, the absolutely buzzing. My Chila Akal, Amber Dog of Yogum Donalig. Immediately the next day to my go Belfast. I totally forgot go well mo annual clique Dungeons and Dragons Leshen Gang Ogum in agus cap mar grosh go le véna Tricanin but to actually generate net and be much generate the cra which is in Belfast so to go Swiss good now to then bossa L go Belfast to then boss L rash na walla on Leathergan or Ihanog so that's probably a bad shout but you're listen it's coming
Shin bus
Patrick Gall
ada.
Patrick Gallagher baby shout out
Passion get a bug miserable now.
shout out to Paddy.
Agus well sort etiquette le Dungeons and Dragons nach jiglat. Kirk, you know, a Kirk.
Oh, Anya. You couldn't even. Sean Road, right? and rud is Delhi for Dungeons and Dragons. It's not in Cleachia, it's not in a Rialaha, it's not a cur character to kill it. It's just a Gary am a fucku earn that a handling a let vis the Shammer Cairna. Agus so if I dropped out now, they'll like skirty or farty, like it would actually ruin my Christmas, I think. Mother roll my able to dull.
And they had, just winse maithas an grúpa cardide sin an me curú go a bhlé drogad.
Um, I don't know. See, Sean wrote like it's in group of Kieran being a gimmer so they had on Tamar Fod, but Jill must run it and I like me yearning Gavain kicked him off, but it would be I would be the one who would ruin the Christmas plans. Like the kind of lads literally actually just chat oh London is so it's called Jira Kajin Cha to play D&D like
agus
Sean.
mura mé duine bháin
Hmm.
an as gon scéal.
Uh, like and stopping a skill or
I gurach isteach is an scéal a bhfuil
oh
be
yeah.
le chéile.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
so basically mura bhfuil tú an ní bhééis an antála.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So yeah. So there's so ní féidirlum definitely not take a bunch of shot ní féidirlum chichas and as an clear tá se just but like I'm already so leis. It's just that I did not plan my time properly.
I suppose that there's just go back in ignorant and it's like
Go for it.
um mura shipping on say my hits and then he's
Hmm.
like do you just break out like Cluedo new Monopoly and could that an alternative with the new unit of scale new could that mean that
Oh, like that road, like their hitch thing again, and they like were just like completely left the story, like using yours to chat the rash. Most of the Garosha, like they were like much chat the rash, then you'd probably just have to kill them off, whatever, like such scale, or file like tires with slurp flag and to have them gone, whatever. But Rudden Yarn the Virginia River was to like versions the Dungeons and Dragons on, to like kind of
oh
like
okay
horse hat gun, which is like for you like cowboys, is the kind of their like lasers and feelings, which is for you like space. So like that, Cluichi bugga emerge to like little contained stories emerge in Doywen,
okay
like in session Owen, to kind of give a break or sample Alice. It's Sunjet River, um, you know, ring which running out
okay
to where we needed to take a break on scale. So we then played more D&D act just scale go hellas go home on different for a bit of crack. But yeah, no, so there was our fog us was in Chasha and Feirste and we're gonna play for 6 hours straight probably. I guess Beijing are gone talking like hella and then we'll all sleep on the couch. And it'll be Beijing gone.
Náhfuilta gur roichean de seis.
What do you mean, Rochan? Do we spend time with my friends? Spreading goodwill and cheer?
Ahan de a choú or cholog le chéile,
It's
just
so cute
like
though.
young kids do.
Yeah, exactly. You shouldn't call cute though, Nachwell. Like, is that
mm.
not the absolute dream?
Sílam go mín really mar sin cute go teirciúil ach an sin ar gá is choú ar holog le chuig ar eile níl rud a bhí cute faoi bín de chorális, hí le choú, bín den éige a sráneal, bín den éige a caiint, bín sleep terrors.
Mm. I think I've been extravagant and I will have to make sure I go on the holiday so there hasn't should yeah that will ruin my night's sleep when I'm on the holiday so there should the holiday. But no, it's really like wholesome because to being like charcuterie board all world and you learn tab and you know creating mujig Sneaky and then we start watching like you know sketches is really like Ella or Lena and all the crack or whatever because it's being your father being my it's in a youth theater law and from Caribbean jig the ish so that go mar la Yevlian jig Trevelyan jig but so it's just had about cute trying to cute so shouldn't imacht a small with Hogum Sir Rivanog Kerfufsha are you playing any D&D?
Well, bé se bh ansáasta go mé ggóil ag scatal ar tróna hí.
Yeah,
Níocht in
bro.
bháin sásta golum, mé go le glúcara. Ní duine bí sásta, they were like, are you having a laugh? But níl rud a bhí mór siúlagam sa tá mé chun an deir seachna seo a chaithú in gáliú, Tá mé críitna sú snóbar agus a ggóháile den nólag agus nílach seach den nógam sa sáile mar be mé ag ggóil ar sire an seachna seo Well, Jared, yeah, ní me cinnte cin lá. Ach, just simple times, just dá a caiú le Machláán. Dal fucannne an Christmas Eve brekkie sin an tradiisiún tóganne
Mhm.
go má fucannne sin. So, yeah, nothing to report. Ní me go bheith dul má in inisiom léana mar go mé gurí me chuid aige a háil. So, yeah, just being a good gal and having a wholesome just sahaile.
Well behaved. So
Yeah, ní mis go bell Feirste gimmert clí eistecha agus i gí his
what?
charcuterie boards
Yeah, yeah.
or
To just
whatever you call those
or
things.
whatever you call it. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, to just call good Japan. Le to eat fucking sushi rolls. Agus le to have listen. Karma list the hug the wrestling memorabilia guy to focus us to. I'll put in the order now and I
Tuaí
guess.
mé tá breisilumm just le mé líú dute.
Oh yeah, Bay Art. Yeah, it's gonna be there's gonna be a lot earn list edition.
I got you.
Tá méid né darm. Céin actual do Jenny just actual in Japan now what they got like.
No, tá muidir bogu hart, Tá muidir tosú I Tokyo fa chunne ihe cin bliana an sin tá muidir ggóil go dtí áit ina gcónaín mo chara an
Mhm.
ásgrásí. Ach be man genú day trip so sin, gin do go Kyoto, Osaka,
Called it.
Kobe,
Mhm.
as an ras go Tokyo den teach an journa. Tá trí seachtaí agin, so tu get bh gama gun le bogu hart, agus tá sú mór le go na bullet trains. She
Oh
mé níos
yeah.
excited for the bullet trains dar the bhéile. Tá cin Hello Kitty oku.
Oh my God.
Can you get more Japan?
Yo, what do you call it? You chuck it too rash, nish. You'll go full you'll just never want to leave. Like it's just whole agrithe agus whole like or be current to the moth like apology math and train like mall like try a second. Do you know?
Ian sin go mór fa chunne mo like type A personality just
Mhm.
agurtha like bé seo ínta tús.
Oh yeah.
Cí siad me, you know?
Hmm. They're on your level.
Yeah. Bugger láú ar an road Aaron.
So for Cillian O'Wall in this, especially because Schmidt as New Girl, kimono, it's like you got hard that.
But me just ará like folklí seafanna like
No.
anrecum sin.
Ach be Cillian Shani the version got hard that after mispronounce our gafocal agus being kimono really gar.
Yeah.
Ar Killian.
Yeah.
I can just hear Canúnt Kelly in a canch like Japanese is just like the big like domo arigato like just
Watashi wa Killian des.
Bit galanta. Bit absolutely meal. Did you know crime man the tickety hugged for Wrestle Kingdom and you fast just so you
You
don't
do
miss it.
that. You do that.
Just so you go to the Japanese WrestleMania because the church will on there to Holland.
Bhí mé slíú ar ggóilthaigh sumo wrestling a eáil.
Oh yeah, be
And na
careful.
himachtaí cógranar, it's like hot pot and sumo wrestling, like le chéile I bundle.
Oh gas.
Bhíonn tú like ag ggóil bóla sú agus ag garchar sumo wrestling. Ní me cinnte méid a win insulta sin because just very chur alish
Yeah.
is mis Jenny ar bí as a chóir. I don't know. Ní me cinnte faoi sin. Ach bheith an sumo wrestling simú.
Definitely, yeah. To Fishni our YouTube we fail lurker it's crazy like to wholesome lurker.
Sin an sin an carneal de TikTok goil hiú an.
Of course.
We've got it in the Mario Kart.
Oh
So Sean
yeah.
Ibe tá siad códín faoi ceadún is timána, ní ghlachann siad le cin éarnacha, ní ghlachann siad le cin plástacha. Agus ag an am cinna ní ghlachann siad leis na cin idirnáisiúnta because tá ceann idirnáisiúnta agamsa a formin idir chuimig America. Agus just like piece of paper ní ghlachann siad le cin paper.
What?
So nílas gom céird agan sin mé leis, nílas gom dé úsáidir na seapaní tain, ach tal adháin agan sa grúpa nach bhfuil le ceadúnas tamána aige cabbí, so he's ruining everyone's fun. Ach Jenny
So
mé
embarrassing, am I right?
because bavrálum gléisús agus gáil. I know, how embarrassing nach dé leis timán.
That's
Like,
so embarrassing.
mortification like ísage.
Basically, been just sort of things Erlene or something. Surely their relationship actually all commercial banana in their male
Mm.
Bíonn go leor daoine taistil a dhéanann that. So
Mm.
uh, yeah,
Tásúlagam.
má sin pick a character le mar céhéisi.
Oh. Ooh. See, Joke Ranium and Lacha and Tamerfall and my immersion actual clique. Wario,
Yeah, mis
obviously.
no, ní mis Wario.
I don't know, man. I'm
Ní
getting Wario
character í
vibes.
Mario bhána tá acu tá actually golóir character eile acu. It's just sin an sort
But like
generalization
got
going
the
on.
Mario characters, like it's all
Yeah,
all
I
about.
suppose. I suppose. I think
Mis sé
Toad, but
Yoshi!
Toad Granner and Cliggan more.
Yoshi!
James got Chong Heart Gary Changas got her Gary Changas got her mahar thing be like
Ní dóilm go sé co-chaotic sa hílan daoine
blah,
ar bhís tá sé an agrathe agus like
boo.
cuaramach agus sáhailte agus máil just témanan tú hart it like sort of orderly queue hartar an gahar I do lána beg hain híl mis me sé get níos chaotic like a búlaiste hanna chéile and stuff but níl cad
No.
sin ar chorbe so
Boo.
yeah I know right
James go should like real bananas like shells like
just a
sound effects is on
just a caihú there the Curfus James Jin came plant look to them the mlog.
they came Leinster agus connacht ar is áharing
Oh yes.
agus dócha go má beidir like cu eile connacht ar an nolog but yeah sin méid really bei an annual 7 aside denk le taration nolog
Oh yes.
Kommer is balte in dan door na de kan de garro mo dante Greens waar blint toch in kommer is na balte ooit red so we my gimmers le mo aan de bug en show bal het last stupid garro agus yeah just couple night out I say hey lost fun gonna call it quits for the year tá ko more ní said chuig log anger so sin kind of just gonna be a nice chill no like maybe a couple trips stuck in Garland get maybe a few nice coffees and walks in or something but yeah later should have made some premier my Tá ik gach ik know what you think Zach well most ways over which is now just Zach uncle it's being like charcuterie board thing being you know, a couple zoching, I guess, you know, a few finger food bits, I guess took them and quality of like it. So that's kind of looking at it that. So yeah, just chill vibes really. That's it. Yeah. That's all that's in store.
Pretty crazy,
Yeah.
bro.
I know, right? Rock on.
Rock on.
Rock on. Yeah. Yeah, I'll channel my inner Japan and launch the on this bay. Bujal a shiny usually
Hey.
A shiny.
a shiny but now glue a shiny a shiny dry much of that you know, is
Na be sahi na vision time er.
Sahi
it a H oh here we got enemy on sorry Japan
Sahi
Dinner by girl I was like surely
Wis gon rodella dhéanaan siad ná go gurn siad Saké istehan wachtarú an Saké bomb a dhéanú go.
it's decent na sahi.
So chuann siad an dá chopstick trasna ar an glunne is sahi. Stíonn tú an shot de Saké ar bar na chopsticks agus an sin seo mílan agus búlan ahandan an tabla an am chéine so go ditsin an shot de
Oh my
Saké
God.
istá sa bheor. Dúirt Cillian bhfuil sé an jazz. Bhain sé trí las I mílan seapána actually mé Feirste. I know, co-cultúrtha mé Feirste. Dúirt go sé an blasta. So beidir go dtí le siad a chuirstathe de a saí na slála Stefan.
I don't think it makes a deal a shahi na or Osaka so Bob
Are you sure now? I'd say the Carter Caster top shelf sake is the hid.
Rud is mar rud an social day tuair síos na chopsticks a te go fob agus ag le ahandanna é anú le chéile.
Well, ain't chopsticks in Sakarua. Is that even
hey tá bí sin nach
James is a brisú batí ó na crin ar an meach sí sig an fo.
Tan mage nade arm though, I would love legal hig love legal hig Japan. I mean obviously look at me like
I was born for this.
I was made for this. Tá honey anu. It is happening. Ag bunch again.
Tá ceiste go marbse.
Go for it.
An mhaíonn sibh
Oh God.
as muide sa séasúr Nollaigiúil seo.
Hmm.
An mhaíonn sibh go sibh dána nó jazz am léana. Cén lista bhfuil se
Oh,
bhéir. Cén lista chu
shit.
daí na nollag se bhéir am léana.
Ooh.
Ag arc siar ar an dóí ag míidirna.
Do you know what? Jerry Misha jazz, but I think we'll couple in yellow in your he go mar then that is probably an Jarku is more of
Cén fáthú?
no, I think Roma listen, I think Roma well behaved. You know, I think just a compromise with general done the much housemates. This is galanta but neuro impli and Fianaku. You know the neuro ain't spirit aku they didn't get wild with this. So a gompraj, you know, vi blian like whoa crazy ogmse, but like a gompraj thing yellow then probably was actually fairly tame. So so no, I think you know if you my jazz. Yeah, you know, near my ain road that I really regret. I don't think. Yeah. Ní gapan. Careful.
James.
Oh God.
I think about jazz really, yeah. Like it go it reach what playing Ella, I'd say.
Yeah, definitely.
But
Yeah. Ní roin an foiinniu có chaotic am léana.
near my hurrah heart that
Jesus Christ.
We're on heart.
yeah, this like just I need some even getting yawn memory of that. So I say, but the middle of the road, I'd say I'm not leaning at a team's ass. I think good anyways, yeah. Yeah.
Well, I wrote the Hurrah hard anyway, which is the funniest fucking way, girl. Jesus Christ. Nah,
Oh
Misha.
yeah.
Agus ní Misha Hurrah hard heard. Come on, Shell.
Well,
Not
I
that I,
took Jakuna room nach from my egg and out of this, it should be like so.
your your stomping ground was
No, they were all like my base and my darling now this my darling obviously I think it's ours I think the Shacer and the Pelags the Queen Shacer Mags go jazz. So yeah. I think it
Ach,
was jazz man.
mar dúirtmuid ní ra dunar bí an ag an airachtas am léana. So sin
no.
nach dig le dunar bí sinna úsad mar
Despite,
stomping ground a bheith dul am léana mar ní ro.
despite our best efforts,
We
Nero
tried, we
wins.
really tried. Ach just gan sa an James, ní ro job a bheith dul a bheith.
Didn't have that je ne sais quoi.
So sílam go me héin das go leor am léana cumáid meallar an cústíach sin. Agus meallar beidir an dáhíidirnach. Just go me có santhe sa chat le tinnas nach ro de gom rud a bhí
Yeah.
mé a dhéanú sin go me an séh le coppla míanú. So sin go me héanaar le jazz gomáin.
The Gary speaker and stuff Vigento good. I'm like trying to like I guess the whole grammar I feel like I'm doing like an audit or much courage where I'm like, well, actually, the company says listen, so long as not leaking in group chats again, that's the shouldn't road this out. That's the shouldn't
Brad's not making dinner cover photos of Gunru.
No, God no. God forbid. No, please no. Then shouldn't die away.
The big go to hack on it.
Yeah, exactly. There was a front page the turas.ie. I can't wait. I guess just go find girl Louis turas.ie, Bejar turas.ie na sinna dai no brin chat.
There's a leak.
There's a leak. There's a mole. KV on. But no, I think much jazz in the I don't think much I think much fairly shave. Like Neil Covnigo Moraine, like definitely Libliantinos there was development involved. Le MacTV Majig not really from music hella. Pedro, do you know what? Maybe we just calm each other down now and there's Pedro need so much jazz press shave. You know, time during the walk my James we mentioned sauna like hella. You know, we were very relaxed.
Is this gross?
Ugh, no.
What?
It's full of shit.
No, you're not funny, my ship. Ní ahi mu mata hele. Be low again.
Oh my God, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
It's so calm.
What the fuck?
Oh no. Kajeta tardu.
The Magiri shot.
Was I gonna smash version that the smooth well it's to know le ling knowledge now. Got a Saké Bob Hugh
Oh God.
le ling law I was just tinne he's I was
What?
print van.
Yeah.
No print Guinness os córan tinine agus sinna be ma das totally shave agus sinna fáta mar rá basically chu connacht ar a fé 8ú ach basically bina go just going to have a bunch of grapes agus go hing cost tinnig im rounding at a television on it's just a task a brand new quite and also well egg quite it's like no so basically bod who said go with funny shave and these real hushi should be
Ach tá sé oké glacu lei sin go bhfuil sin níos trolí agus níos teise mar like thugla a liganúirt go bhainean tú níos mósalt as an rodile agus like I gcónaí bheith I bobaní pacailte agus gan bhealbalta sí síos agus no more like mar dúirt mé teanga gaite Tá sin den beartaithe sin de asní tá rógraithe agus nach tí gom sí agus nach tí gom bheith comforta agus nach tí gom an jochhfuilíolar mórdú so power to you James sí is tí a bunch of grapes sí in acin an tinny fáid a fionta bí comforta Jennifer go tusa I ggéirí a dhéanú an nullig seo
come on that being said a resolution is more development
Yay!
We're back baby
Ní wrote tú gan a glúir léna
No. Shouldn't know it's so funny that like you know like there's the thing Carmont like chatterty of like acceptance and tolerance like the thing yella it's like love who you want to love the thing yella it's like you know you can be anything you want to be because the Seansálaithe it's like you can stop drinking if you'd like I guess you know hey lads you know if you want to go too hard on it
is the fun
in that
Ní really I bríonn sé de bhranda sogan
no
má iarn mud ro white now má iarn mud ro yes
yeah listen
tá you know Áine é go gadú na chuineal
you annual book go aru go Seansálaithe go dtí Sean timers I'd say
so is bralam go dtíglinn brathair James leis sin na chuineal I ggóilún go
fuck's sake
yeah
tell you what James in the almost finish I'll send a risky DM this is not just
show that full maybe tú can't be calling the whole Natasha can't
Dari mama engine I think it was yeah I just can't be arsed yeah
oh come on it's
No.
Christmas
it's Christmas
Yes.
this is just Gary crack
Christmas time risky DMs and wine
this is just a Gary crack of Elgov and
come on do it
no I can't be arsed
an seo leis an duine bhí tú caiin faoin deach gaite
yeah
Australia tu gé each dé Harlín
no yeah should have fired but like Neil I don't think we'll actually listen like if we go any further we might accidentally reveal some information so I think John
yeah
might literally create a girl shot before we accidentally leak my lack of love life Gur maiid géisi le Seansálaithe be muidir ras chat thugan le agran uair ach go dtí sin má gar las man hosta mar Seansálaithe ar Instagram Seansálaithe ar Twitter agus Seansálaithe ar YouTube agus Gary any Amsterdam man hosta this anywhere Instagram anywhere Twitter agus anywhere TikTok agus Gary James Amsterdam hosta this mar feartaithe ar Instagram feartaithe ar Twitter agus feartaithe ar TikTok agus mas Gary Mahéna Amsterdam man hosta agus mas maile risky DM a cheall thugamsa sé Hugh Carr here ar Instagram Hugh Carr ar Twitter agus just gra Hugh Carr ar TikTok
Nollaigh honna díobh goléir mar rinne dearrma de rá bé an seo golamá tír ribh an ólag agus ní bheith muidir caiint le bhríis go dtí in éana nólag sé an takean se thugann dearan na sreathe cumáid so bíigi é se bé agran bug jazz an díobh maidin inné ihe Stefan so
required
chuide mud libh leis an bot agus beidir le cindóid mothú níos fearr in éana bhhuair sin
like agran ASMR basically just
look sin cute
so little like nice little cozy whatever agus thulang go mé shanty go maiid tíhanir tá seo gom go chuí shanty sí sa semlar agus bheith am deasta go fa sinna se teanla and that you're in a food coma then chatting your fad that's no the item to carry in to be honest it's just agus
As ná mo ceanta faoi.
but he's also Jerry shot again Nollaigiúil gonna agus bit rá le agran uair dá Seansálaithe Slán
Fun!